Hey guys, this is Mr. Golias, and we're just taking a look at the last few grades that are going to be entered in the gradebook this weekend. So the first one is the research that you put in your podcast, your 8 facts. This is the rubric for that. Notice it has a multiplier of 3. A second one is the podcast itself, and that has a multiplier of 5. Your artifact, here's the rubric for that. It has a multiplier of 6. You have your graphic design summative, which has a multiplier of 4. And the presentation itself, just for actually doing the presentation, you get credit for that. Most people score very well as long as you come and do it. And finally, next week, we will get into our learning reflection, which will actually be your last grade of the class. So these are the rubrics. You have access to all of this in the Google Classroom section for rubrics. But I wanted to just make sure you were aware of all the grades that are to come through our presentations and then the reflection next week. So good luck, and you can take a look at those now.